bears are dangerous game. An adrenaline rush like no other. Got bears?
Well, Todd, congratulations. You on your first bear hunt, you come and you got your first bear, and he is a monster. Congratulations.
Thank you, Cory. You put us on a great bear. We had good bear all week, and you told us if you wait, you're gonna get a chance at a 7-footer, 8-footer. And tonight, here is my first black bear.
Your first black bear, and he looks to be a Boone and Crockett, and there's no question he's over 7 feet. Congratulations again.
And I thank you for the hard work that you put in so I can enjoy this great hunt.
Let's talk about the gear we've chosen for this fall bear hunt up here in northern Manitoba with Cory Grant and All Terrain Bear Hunts. This, everybody knows, is an Excalibur crossbow, the most accurate crossbow in the world. This is their Equinox, 350 feet per second, 225 pounds draw weight. The most accurate crossbow in the world, Excalibur crossbows. We have 2 packs here. We use Keys Hunting Gear Fresh Tracks packs for our ground blind hunts. We use Keys Hunting Gear Tree Locker pack for our tree stand hunts. Both are excellent packs. Jeff Keys, the owner, is a lifelong hunter, and all of his hunting experience is engineered in these packs. They're great packs. You need to check them out if you haven't already. Deer Quest Scent Quest Scent Eliminator. We spray down every day before the hunts to eliminate our scent as much as possible before we went to stand or ground blind. We burned the Deer Quest bear scent sticks at the sites every day to bring the bears in. Counter assault bear pepper spray, just in case, you never know. You could run across an aggressive bear that you don't want to kill on any hunt. This is the All Bear TV knife. We had these on every hunt, just in case push come to shove. You can check them out on the website, www.outdoordreams.net. These are a few key pieces of gear for any bear hunt, spring or fall.